Perfect lighting for the bath. The secret to great lighting in the bath? Use layers of light. This basically means using different sources of light spread around the room to create a space that's well lit, warm, and inviting. Layer 1, Ambient lighting. Our first layer is going to be a ceiling-mounted light to provide general room illumination. This can be a flush mount ceiling light, ideally for smaller spaces, a chandelier, or semi-flush mount that extends down from the ceiling on a short rod, or even recessed lighting. Layer 2, task lighting. Now we want task lighting for focused light around sink and mirror areas. You want bright, even light for grooming and makeup application. So use twin lights on either side of a mirror or a long bath bar on top. If you need extra light, you can use both top and side lights together. Layer 3. Our third and final layer is accent lighting. If you have a large vanity like we have here, then use a small accent lamp on the counter for added visual interest. A final tip, remember to use dimmer switches on all your light sources so you can easily vary the overall lighting levels. Check out all the trends and lighting tips at lampsplus.com and follow us for more.